In this video clip, we'll see how we are going to use this Math ABC ebook. Once you open the book, you can see the left-hand side, there are the topics. So if you click Table of Contents, the table of contents shows up. And then if you think this part you do not want it, you can simply click here. With the table of contents, you can go anywhere you want it. For example, if you want to go to 1.2, click on that. It brings you to 1.2 Math and English. And here you can read yourself and then do some quiz. For example, if I want to do this quiz, I can click on Start. And then if you click the answer here, denominator, that's multiple choice. And here you may input the answer 4x plus 3. And you decide to stop. You did 2 out of 7 correctly. If you want to see the correct answer, you simply click on correct. You see here, we didn't do this one, but this one is marked. Tells you this one is the correct answer. We did this one right, this one right. And how about the correct answer for 2B? Click on that. That will give you the answer. 2C, click on the answer, it will give you 24 minus x. 2E, you may click that. So that's the way to do the quiz. Again, if you want to go back to the table of contents, you can click on 1.3, the section number or the title. It brings you back to the table of contents. And then index, click on that, it goes there. And here are the terminologies and the corresponding page numbers. If you click on, let's say, function, you may click on page number. It brings you to page 106. And then here it will explain how to understand the concept of function. You see here, if you click on -2, see here, -2 squared is 4. And then you may click on 3. 3 shows up. 9 is 3 squared. The graph can be toggled. And here, if you use your phone camera to scan this one and click the link, the explanation will show up on your cell phone to explain this page. You may also click the time, and then it will bring you to the YouTube to explain this part. The whole content is video explained in this book. If you want to see how to graph this y or f of x equals x squared, and here is the animation. You see here, you can see frame by frame. -2 squared is 4, so -2, 4. So you do here. And then -1 squared is 1, so you have -1, 1. Second point. Third point, 0 squared is 0, so you have a 0, 0. And then 1 squared is 1, you have 1, 1. And then 2 squared is 4, so you have a 2, 4, this point. That's the way how to read this e-textbook. I hope you enjoy this e-textbook, and then I will see you in the book.